NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is a coenzyme found in all living cells and has even been called an anti-aging molecule because of the many important roles it plays in promoting health and prolonging lifespan. This powerful molecule has a lot of potential for new therapeutic opportunities. Studies have shown that it can help battle many effects of aging and chronic conditions on the human body and brain. Put simply, we need NAD to live. However, as we get older, our bodies generate less and less of the coenzyme. This is one reason why we begin to feel the effects of aging and become more prone to age-related illnesses as the years pass by. One of the ways you can supplement NAD in your body is through IV therapy. This is a holistic, all-natural way to help your body fight against aging and illness to feel healthier and more youthful.